Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you basics of passing the football. In the beginning, let's go to Skills Trainer and go to Help. I'm new to Madden. Enter passing the football.
Here we go.
And here is the tutorial how to throw the football. Snap the ball with A or X, then press B or circle to pass the receiver. Multiple reads. If the primary receiver is covered, look to throw to another receiver. They will have yellow play R. When to throw to the receiver depends on the timing of the route and what defense you are matched up against. Complete the pass to the receiver inside the hot spot.
Here we go.
Now let's try passing the ball against the full defense.
Here we go.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.